This is Lorena. We're going to do a new video today. We're going to talk about my new joy, my new toy, my new, I think I get bored in life and I just want to try different things. And ultimately I'm figuring out that I really am a textile artist. And I really think I have a heart for making things. And that's why I love quilting. And that's why, that's why I'm willing to invest hours and hours into something, because I like making like just a random piece of fabric into a beautiful quilt. But we're going to talk about tufting today. I wanted to share kind of why I decided I wanted to do tufting. I've been wanting to do it for 3 or 4 years, and I finally kind of went on the plunge. I have spent more money on fabric than I did on a tufting gun. I went ahead and I purchased 2 tufting guns. I ended up kind of messing up because I thought there was going to be a delay on one of them. And so I ordered one, hoping it would get sooner. Anyway, I ended up ordering 2. This is the gun from Tuft the World. It even has their logo on it. What I like about it, it is so nice. It's light on the hands. And like I said, it looks like a sewing needle right there. All the parts are really kind of on their own, but be careful, you can jam your finger. Lesson learned. You can jam your finger. They're both exactly the same kind of guns. I recommend that if you are going to do this, get yourself a really great gun. I was going to get some at Amazon, but I heard people saying that their Amazon guns kind of like fell apart. It does have a little screen to tell you how fast the speed is. It has an LED light here when it's turned on. They're so quiet. My husband was thinking that it was going to be a really loud, obnoxious noise, and he literally sits and watches TV just like over there. And it's not a loud machine. Now if you increase the speed, it does get a little bit louder, but if you keep the speed at a decent, and it doesn't shake a lot, it's not heavy, I can literally use this with one arm. This is what the box looks like. At Effie, they ended up giving me like an instruction manual. I believe Tuft the World, they do it digitally. And the gun that I got, it's this. So I had my husband make me a frame. This is something that I finished. Let me show you my tufting frame. Since I still have it on the frame, this is what I could show you of my Snoopy, but I promise when I'm working on her, I will show you how she looks. I made myself a little tufting area. This originally was supposed to be my cutting area, and I don't use it. This I got for my laser. It doesn't work very well, but it works wonderful for cotton. I removed a lot of the rulers here and I put my guns and I hung them there. I also have the glue here, the aerosol spray, and a projector that I bought years ago that I've never used. I also had a lot of sewing notions here. I removed all of them and organized them, to be honest. And this is my Tufting drawer. Hot glue, my little cutting razors. So what I did is I organized all these drawers. When I am working, this area is a bit chaotic. I was going to use this for my cutting area, but I don't use it. I tend to use the area where I sew. When I'm done with the tufting gun, I go ahead and put the frame right in front of here. I have like notions and supplies down here. Don't look at that. All right, let me show it to you. Let me show you how beautiful and thick this rug is. It's about an inch thick or ½ inch thick. Let me show you how thick they are. I still need to clean it and kind of work on it. Look how plushy. I still need to work on Snoopy and clean Snoopy up a bit. The reason I did Snoopy is my husband loves Snoopy. Let me show you the back side. And honestly, you should feel how thick this is. Like, this is some thick rug. Thick rug. I literally use probably, because I get the yarn that's a pound, more than a pound skein. I use 1.5 of this one. I use 1 skein of yarn for this, and probably like 1/4 of the skein for this part of the Snoopy. And it's just, I think it's beautiful. So that's this half. And this half. She's pretty big too. You don't have to make them as big, or you don't have to make them as small. You can make them whatever size you want. That's the only thing about tufting. Like, you can make the rug to what you want it to be, not to what the specifications out there are to be. So I didn't carve it yet. I don't think I'm gonna carve this one. I kind of like the fact that it's just thick, and I still need to razor it a little bit and clean up the eyes and go through certain areas. But isn't that beautiful? You should feel it. You should feel this thing. Oh my God. Just come along, just enjoy the journey with me, because I really like this. It's just different, it's fast. Well, I don't think 5 hours is fast. They do take a little bit of time, but you get a lot done in a very short amount of time, I feel, in comparison to my other, like, love, you know, like. And look, I have a beautiful, and yes, I'm gonna make this into a prayer rug. I'm gonna lay down and kneel on it and pray, and just I love this one so much, I'm not gonna let my dog sit on it. Even though it has a dog on it. No, not my puppies. So yeah, I appreciate you, and I thank you for watching, taking your time to hang with me.